House of the Beans is a beautiful place, and with my friends, I decided to visit it. Enjoy my video. Set in beautifully landscaped parkland overlooking the river Forth, this charming house is a definite must-visit place. The way there is a little bit tricky, but once you approach it, you will be rewarded with a spectacular views. This house was built in early 17th century and is showcase of the Scottish Renaissance. This house has colorful legends and stories to tell. I was surprised by how well it's preserved, thanks to the National Trust who is taking care of this place. Outside its extensive landscape, you can find sheep, cattle, or beautiful peacocks. Don't forget to check out the stunning view of Blackness Castle and River Forth. It is worth it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, please share it with friends. Thank you.